Welcome to Phantom Wallet versus Math Wallet Solana. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Phantom Wallet and Math Wallet, focusing on their compatibility with the Solana blockchain, features, and who they are best suited for. Phantom Wallet is a Solana-exclusive, non-custodial wallet known for its streamlined design and ease of use. Built for Solana's ecosystem, it offers seamless support for Solana-based cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and decentralized applications, dApps. As a browser extension and mobile app, Phantom provides features like in-wallet staking for SOL, integration with Solana dApps, and a built-in token swap feature. With its straightforward interface and emphasis on user experience, Phantom is an excellent choice for beginners and Solana enthusiasts seeking a reliable, easy-to-use wallet for managing their assets. On the other hand, Math Wallet is a multi-chain wallet supporting over 100 blockchains, including Solana. While its Solana functionality isn't as exclusive as Phantom's, Math Wallet stands out for its versatility and extensive features. It offers mobile, browser extension, and hardware wallet integration, making it ideal for users managing assets across multiple blockchains. For Solana users, Math Wallet provides dApp browser support, staking capabilities, and a smooth interface for interacting with the Solana network. Additionally, its cloud wallet option is convenient for those who value accessibility across devices, though some users may prefer a strictly non-custodial setup like Phantom's. In summary, if your primary focus is Solana and you want a wallet designed specifically for its ecosystem with an intuitive interface, Phantom Wallet is the clear winner. However, if you're a multi-chain user who values cross-chain compatibility and Solana support within a more extensive framework, Math Wallet is a solid alternative. Both wallets cater to different needs, so your choice will depend on your specific use case. Check out the links in the description to learn more about each wallet and decide which one suits you best.